We'll guide you through how to turn off Face ID on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone, and for whatever reason you wish to go and turn off Face ID, perhaps you don't like it, you can choose different features you can turn it off, or you can go and completely turn it off for your entire iPhone. It's going to be up to you. With Face ID turned off, instead, you're then going to be using your iPhone passcode. Perhaps you prefer it, but remember, even though you go and turn off your Face ID, you can always go and turn it back on in the future. And if you're running into some type of problem with it, we can always go and reset it and redo it. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and head to your iPhone settings. So we can go and open them up like so. In here, you then need to go and scroll down. You need to go and find the option for Face ID and passcode. If you're finding this option is missing, don't worry. What you need to do is come into screen time. Then you need to go down to content and privacy restrictions. Go down here and you need to go and find allow changes to, and then make sure passcode and Face ID is set to allow. That's super important. If it's set to not allowed, that's why you can't go and see the option. Now, what you need to do is you need to come into Face ID and passcode like so. To go and get in here, you need to enter in the passcode for your iPhone. So I can go and enter that in now. When it goes and unlocks, at the top here, you can go and turn Face ID off for different features. Not completely, I'll show you in a moment. So for example, I could go and switch it off for iPhone unlock like this. And so now when I try and unlock my iPhone, I'll have to go and use the passcode. I could go and choose these other features as well. And I can also go and turn off certain apps by tapping other apps and switch them off for there. So you've got some different ways you can do it. Now, alternatively, we can come down here and you can go and find the option for reset Face ID. So if I then go and tap there like so, it will then go and take a minute to load, and that will go and turn it off for the entire iPhone and remove your save face as well. As you can see, all of those are now turned off, and the setting has now changed to set up Face ID. So you can go and reset up again if you want. You can tap there and we can set it up, and you can if you wish. And now when I go and unlock my iPhone, I'll have to go and do passcode as we've gone and removed the Face ID. That's it, that's now turned off and disabled. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides.